President Tharman Shanmugaratnam will now inspect the parade. As a mark of respect, the 25-pounder guns will fire in salute to the president. You're hearing shots fired from the 25-pounder howitzers. There'll be a total of 21 shots as part of the presidential gun salute. The president is escorted by Parade Commander Lieutenant Colonel Muhammad Firdaus bin Muhammad Ghazal and the Chief of Defence Force, Vice Admiral Aaron Bing. The 21 gun salute is the highest military honour conferred and reserved almost exclusively for the president during National Day parades. The president will now conduct his customary inspection of the Guard of Honor contingents, beginning first with the 1st Commando Battalion, a unit with a very proud history. The president stopping now to compliment a soldier. A proud moment for this young man, all the more poignant given this is a celebration of Singapore's Diamond Jubilee. President now approaching the Navy Guard of Honor contingent, made up of men and women from the Naval Diving Unit. They too have a proud heritage as one of Singapore's elite units. Naval divers are known for their physical and mental strength, and even though they're at home underwater, they can also take on missions in the air and on land. Republic of Singapore Air Force Guard of Honor contingent, comprising men and women from the Air Power Generation Command. Its job is to ensure that the RSAF is able to deliver the air power required to complete its missions. It includes turning around aircraft, servicing and maintenance, and integrating operations across the 4 air bases. Next, President Tharman inspects the Digital and Intelligence Services Defence Cyber Command, Joint Intelligence Command, and SAF C4 and Digitalization Command. The DIS plays a critical role in defending Singapore from threats in the digital domain, allowing SAF to operate better as a networked and integrated force to deal with new and evolving external threats, as well as safeguard Singapore's peace and sovereignty. Here's the Singapore Police Force Guard of Honor contingent from a training command. All police officers must pass through the command to ensure that they have the requisite operational and soft skills so Singapore remains safe and secure. For the very first time, the President inspects the Singapore Civil Defence Force Guard of Honor contingent. The SCDF provides emergency services like firefighting, technical rescue, and emergency medical services to keep all of us safe and secure. The ceremonial vehicle will now drive our president around the Padang. President Tharman Shanmugaratnam is the 9th President of Singapore, and this is his second NDP in this capacity. President Tharman has voiced support for ground-up initiatives that uplift the disadvantaged. He's worked alongside the government, community groups, voluntary organizations, and the nation to enhance our respect and appreciation for one another and strengthen multiculturalism. The crowd giving a rousing reception there for President Tharman. He's well received by Singaporeans for his relatability and personal understanding of heartland issues. Prior to his appointment, President Tharman served in politics for 22 years. In July 2023, he resigned as a member of the PAP and stepped down from Parliament and his government positions to stand as a candidate in the 2023 presidential election. He campaigned on the platform of respect for all, reflecting his long-held advocacy for recognizing every skill and contribution and deepening the practice of multiculturalism. A poignant and momentous occasion as the crowds and contingents are gathered here today to celebrate Singapore's 60th birthday and Diamond Jubilee together with our President.
The guard of honor will now execute the Feu-De-Joie, or fire of joy, to celebrate our nation's birthday.
Kawalan kehormatan akan tembak Feu-De-Joie. Isikan peluru. Hormat. Tembak. Isikan lagi. Hormat. Tembak. Isikan lagi. Hormat. Tembak. Kawalan kehormatan. Tatap. Senja. Tuh. Kawalan kehormatan. Rusuk. Senja.